Hi there everyone, welcome to TechRavers. I don't know if you know about the fuss surrounding Dbrand's kill switch case and the magnetic kickstand that was originally supposed to be included with it. Dbrand cancelled all orders since they found out in the 11th hour that it could potentially harm or even break Steam Decks that had the Delta fan inside, since the magnetic kickstand would interfere or slow down the cooling fan. Valve has since stopped using the Delta fan and started using another fan from Huajing instead that supposedly shouldn't be affected by magnets, but a lot of OG Steam Decks, including my own, have the Delta fan inside. So in this video I thought I would show you what happens if you use a magnetic accessory with your Steam Deck while having a Delta cooling fan inside. So a huge disclaimer, I'm doing this so you don't have to. Do not use magnetic accessories with your Steam Deck if you don't know what you're doing, since it can break your Steam Deck. And with that being said, let's jump into it. First, I just want to show you how to know which fan you have. Simply hit the menu button on your Steam Deck and head into System, scroll down to Model and Serial Numbers, and scroll down to the bottom, and there it is. As you can see, I have the Delta fan in my Steam Deck, meaning it won't like magnetic accessories. And now that we know how to check our fan type, it's time to test the magnetic accessory itself. And the product I'm gonna test in this video is a 16,000 mAh battery from Antank. Now the power bank itself is actually pretty solid and of good quality, and could charge your Steam Deck almost 1.5 times. And look at these magnets, they are actually super strong, and I'm not sure if the power bank would detach even if you were to drop your Steam Deck on the floor. However, I'm not gonna test that here, but feel free to let me know in a comment if you know the results. Anyway, so far so good. The problem starts when I attach the plastic mount to my Steam Deck. And take a look at my frame rates. Watch how they instantly drop from a solid 40 to barely 10 FPS. At this point, the game is absolutely unplayable and the actual Steam Deck itself is almost unusable. Now, as soon as I remove the plastic mount with the magnet, the FPS will jump back to solid 40 again. Remember, even though my Steam Deck seems to be fine, using magnets close to an electric device like this can potentially harm any logic boards inside. And even though it seems to be working, you can reduce the lifetime of your Steam Deck. So once again, I'm doing this so you don't even have to try. I'm gonna leave a non-affiliated link to the power bank I'm using in this video in the description if you want to buy it anyway. But personally, I would refrain from using magnetic accessories on a Steam Deck, no matter which fan I have inside. Dbrand went ahead and redesigned their kickstand. Gone is the old magnetic connection. Instead, the device now has a bayonet style mount, similar to those seen on DSLR camera lenses. Essentially, rather than snapping on with magnets, this one will twist and lock in place. And hey, they also included SD card slots. And now you know how to check which fan manufacturer your Steam Deck have, and also what happens with your Steam Deck if you use magnet accessories with the wrong fan type. Let me know if you liked the video by giving it a like or a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more content like this. Thanks for watching.